The Road and Bridge Research Institute performs crash tests on road safety devices and issues certificates confirming the results of the actual crash tests, which are necessary for marketing the product. We are a body accredited in accordance with ISO IEC 17025-2005 by the Polish Centre for Accreditation Certificate No. AB 1025 and an EU notified body NB 2219. The IBDiM's testing ground allows crash tests to be carried out in accordance with the requirements of ON 12767-2019, N1317-2010 and MASH 2016. We conduct crash tests of road crash barriers, road terminals, lighting poles, support structures, gantries and crash cushions. The IBDiM's testing ground is located at an area of more than 3 hectares and is equipped with 350 m long overrun track, a system for remote acceleration of experimental vehicles, measurement and testing infrastructure, internal fiber optic network, power supply backup system, synchronization system for remote startup of measurement equipment, a station for recording the rapidly changing physical phenomena occurring during the collision of the vehicle with the objects under study, a system for recording the overloads, acceleration-deceleration exerted on the driver during a crash, including the use of an ATD anthropomorphic test device in the form of a hybrid IBDiM, a stand for determining the technical parameters of the test vehicle, i.e. curb weight, position of the center of mass, geometric dimensions and deformation of the cabin, specialized laboratory and technical rooms. We invite you to cooperate.